viewers. Welcome to Ezra Wellness, where you learn proven ways to healthy living. This is your lady Salome here. I want to say thank you to you all my viewers for your love and your support. With everything going on with COVID-19, I know there is a lot of fear and anxiety going on out there because we all don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. But I want to encourage you in the Word of God today in Psalm 91. He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I pray and I hope that the Lord will take us all through this pandemic. So please don't let us lose hope. Let's keep praying for divine intervention. With kids out of school, a lot of people out of work, I know there is a lot of eating going on around the house. Trust me, I have 3 kids, I understand. But please do me a favor. Make sure you take sugar and sugary drinks out of the diet. Also, remember to let your family drink more water because that is what the body needs most. With that said, today I want to talk about how to start the plant paradox diet. The plant paradox diet, the main goal of this diet is to fix your microbiome. And when I talk about microbiome, I'm talking about the bacteria in your stomach. These bacteria that help with digestion. The assignment of these bacteria is not only to help with digestion, they do other things like they help to regulate your mood, your immune system. They help prevent cardiovascular diseases. They help you also maintain a good body weight. As the father of modern medicine, Hippocrates have said, all diseases start in the gut. So if you're looking to fix your disease, the best place to start is your stomach. And if I talk about stomach, I'm talking about the bacteria in the stomach. So when you're starting to fix your gut, you're starting at the right place. So, plant paradox diet, there is 3 ways that you could start it. 1, you could do 1 week cleansing, like I did, and people keep calling me and saying, Salome, give me the cleansing, thinking it's medication. It's not. Because remember, I said you're going to use food to treat the disease. Or you could do a 3-day cleansing, or you could do the third part is you're going to do, either you eliminate the food that bothers these bacteria from your diet. But I recommend you going with a 1 week cleansing because that just gives you a quick start of the microbiome by starving the bad bacteria that we've been feeding for many years and give the good bacteria the strength so that they'll be able to do the work they were meant to do. So during the cleansing, you're going to limit yourself to eating certain foods. And overall, the plant paradox diet, you eliminate some foods. And some of these elimination will happen in the beginning. You'll be able to add back some in as you go along. And some of them you'll not be able to add in at all. So these are examples of things that you need to eliminate when you're starting the diet. Things like sugar. You don't have sugar ever when you are on this diet. No processed foods. You don't have any of that. Legumes, example, soya, peanuts, beans, is off the diet. Grains like corn, rice, wheat, oats is off the diet. Fruit, with exception of when the fruit is in season. I'm talking about nuts, example, cashews, is off the diet. Oils like corn oil, canola oil, vegetable oil is off the diet. You cannot have any of the nightshade vegetables like tomato, pepper. They are off the diet. And then conventionally raised meat, chicken, pork, fish, they are all off the diet. Then you're saying to yourself, Salome, really? If these things are all off the diet, what can I eat? Be rest assured, there is so many things that you could eat. These are examples of things that you could eat. You could have 1 avocado a day. You could eat wild catch shrimp or wild catch fish, wild catch salmon. You could eat that pasture raised chicken. And these meats and fish, you cut it down to 8 ounces a day or less. You could have some oil like olive oil, avocado oil, palm oil, coconut oil, walnut oil. You'll be able to have all the green leafy vegetables like lettuce, spinach, I'm talking about kale. I'm talking about collard greens. You could have all that. Broccoli, cauliflower, onion, all the herbs out there, you could have it. Nuts like walnuts, pistachios, pecans, almonds without the skin. All these things you could have. And I'm going to post the Dr. Gundry yes and no list of approved foods underneath the video. So you could click on and look at the bigger picture of the things that you could eat and what you cannot eat. But in the first week of the cleansing, you eliminate certain things of the diet. And then as we keep going with the subsequent videos, I'll be showing you what you could add in as the week go by. But the first week, after you've eliminated all the things I've talked about, these 4 things you cannot have. No carbohydrates, no dairy, no egg, and no fruit for the first 7 days. So, with that said, I want to show you how to make the green smoothie. That was my number 1 go-to on this diet. It is very simple to make. So this is the ingredient that you would need for the green smoothie. This is lettuce that I have. If you don't have lettuce, you could use spinach, spring mix, or anything of that sort. Also, you need avocado. This is half avocado. If you cannot have avocado for any reason, you could replace it with half of the green leafy vegetable that you're using. I have lemon. You squeeze it out, and you need 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice. Then this is diced ginger. You need 1 tablespoon of that. And then stevia. You will need 5 drops of stevia. The stevia you will use in the first week. And then when it comes to the second week going forward, you could replace the stevia with a date, fresh date. And then the last thing you add is unsweetened almond milk or water, whichever you have. You put all of them together in your blender, and then you blend it. And when you're done, this is how it would look like. Green smoothie. Let me try it. It tastes yummy, but this is a taste to acquire. If you haven't drank it before, you say, oh my God, Salome. Yes, you could drink it. Once you drink it, 1, 2, your taste buds will get to it. Your taste bud will get used to it. The bacteria in your stomach will start loving it. And then you'll be on your way dancing to good health. There'll be no more bloating, no constipation, no pain, and then you start to manage your weight. This is the week that I lost the 10 pounds. I really want you to take it very serious and do your best, and then post in the comment below. Let me know how it goes. Tell me how you're feeling when you're doing this. So I'll give you an example of how you will eat on the first week. So after the green smoothie, you could drink your green smoothie. If you blend all these things together, you could drink the whole thing in the morning. And then in the afternoon, you could have like broccoli with some shrimp. Dinner time, you could have cauliflower with some fish. And then the next day, you will have your green smoothie. And then the afternoon, you will have cauliflower and fish. And then dinner, you have salad. Let me tell you, I wasn't a vegetable lady. It was tough starting it. But once I realized that this was what is good for me, I decided that I was going to do it. And I did it, and now I could drink it with no problem. So I know you could do it. So just do it. Let me know how it goes. If you're too hungry, you could have snacks with approved nuts. You could eat raw carrot as a snack and drink more water. Drink more water. You'll see that the first day you'll be hungry, but going forward, you're not going to feel the hunger again. And you will be on your way to good health and good body weight. So please, give yourself the challenge. Do something different. So because if you want to boost your immune system, there is no better time than now. So just give me a comment and let me know how it goes. I know you could do it. I'm also going to put my favorite salad dressing, the recipe underneath the video. Because once you've done all these things, I don't want you to put the salad dressing on the market with all the preservative on it on your salad. Just eat the correct one and you'll be on your way to good health. I want to say, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on another video. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, this is Ezra Wellness, where you learn proven ways to healthy living. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time.